my new bike. It's a 2008 Honda CBR 600 RR with 3,300 miles right now. And I bought it with 1,228. I paid $6,500 for this bike. And that is about as good of a deal as you can get for a 2008. At least for a 600. I'm very happy with this bike. It's pretty, it's beautiful, it's fast. You know, I've had an R6 before this, and so I'm no stranger to the power, you know, but it's just always a treat. I guess maybe because I ride a little bit slower these days, now that I have a plate, and I just like having, I just appreciate the freedom to be able to ride, because I had a lot of instances with my R6 where I couldn't ride it for several months at a time because something was always breaking. But I really hope this will last. I got a Honda because I wanted the reliability, and I absolutely love this thing. It comes from the factory with this graffiti type of paint job. I'll go on the other side so that you can have a better look at it. You get a nice shot of the face. Graffiti paint job looks like it's a bunch of like skyscrapers. It's got a can of spray paint there. It's got like a piston here, a skull or something. More skyscrapers, like it's like drip kind of effect to make it look like it's fresh paint. It's got that graffiti CBR 600 logo on the bottom. And everything is stock on this bike, you know. The only thing I really plan to do with it is get some new shorty levers. I find those to be more comfortable. Maybe a tune, I'm not sure. Maybe a power commander somewhere down the line. But I just love this bike the way it is right now. And hope to make some good content with it. So if you guys are interested in seeing my upcoming videos, you might want to stick around, because some good content is surely coming my way. Or your way, actually, from me. You can go ahead and start up and hear how it sounds. Gauges are clean. I'll come around on the other side. Here you can see a 3,358 miles so far. I love that sound. But yeah, that's my new bike, a 2008 Honda CBR 600. it is a very nice bike, and I plan on taking as good care of it as I possibly can and carrying on the torch from the last 2 owners. So there you have it, guys.